I know y'all hear me talk about the state statutes a lot, but I've realized I've never actually went over what the state statute actually is. It's usually three sets of numbers, which is going to be your main state statute. And the easiest way I can tell you is, since we're all live in the Bible Belt, is if I give you the Bible verse Matthew 5:9 to look up, you'll be able to, because Matthew is the book, 5 is the chapter, and verse is the 9. As the same example, if I give you 63:15:4, which is your insurance law, 63, first part of it, is your title of your book. So 63 would be the book. 15 would be the chapter. So the 15th chapter of the book 63. And 4 would be the section. So you'd have title, chapter, section, just like you would on a Bible verse would be book, chapter, verse. That makes it extremely simple. Past those three numbers, you may have a 1, 2, 3, so on and so forth. Those will be subsections. As the general public, you'll probably deal mostly with either Title 63 or Title 97, which 63 is your motor vehicle laws, and Title 97 is your crime laws, which is crimes against people, property, and so on and so forth. Any type of misdemeanor or felony crime, with a few exceptions of like drug charges. Every law in the state will have a state statute number, when it will be a three sets of numbers. No matter what the law is, whether it's tax, military, drugs, healthcare, it all has the same type of style setup. When you look at my thumbnails and my descriptions or my titles, it will all have a state statute number in them, on them, somewhere, somehow. If it does not, then that means it's not directly talking about one specific state statute. If you want to know more about your traffic laws or crime laws, go to my playlist. I'm going to break those down into crime and traffic. And we'll also try to break them down into what chapters that each one of them are, so that way you can better find what law you're looking for without doing a whole lot of searching. If you still don't see it, comment, let me know on any of the videos, or email this address here at the bottom what your issue is. If you have a question about anything, if you need to send a picture, video, anything, send it to that email address and we'll see if I can't make a video with it. If you don't want a video made, or you don't care, you just don't want your name in it, please let me know in the email and I will answer you through there directly or in a video. If you get charged with something, whether it's a ticket or you get arrested, that state statute is on there. Look it up and see exactly what you're dealing with. That being said, a lot of people don't even, some officers don't know how to look up laws. They should, some can't. I explained to you why it's so difficult. I'm pretty sure everybody has seen the bookcase back here. If you look on the top shelf here, and this shelf here is just random books, but everything in this center part right here is all paperwork that have gathered dealing directly with Mississippi law enforcement. That whole shelf there, every loose piece of paper, every binder, everything there I've got doing this job. That makes it difficult. As always, thank you for watching. Have a great day.